Hi everyone, welcome to an exciting edition of Microsoft Teams News. This is where every single month we take a look at the latest features added to Microsoft Teams. And we have some pretty exciting news for you. So without further ado, let's get right to it and let's see, heading into 2026, what are the latest additions and what are the latest exciting features that have arrived in Microsoft Teams. First up is a feature many of you have wanted for a while. Pop-out windows. You can now open core Teams apps like Chat, Calendar, and Activities in their own windows by right-clicking the icon in the left sidebar and choosing Open in New Window. This lets you view your schedule while chatting or check activity while still keeping your calls in sight. It's a small change that makes multitasking much smoother inside Microsoft Teams. Another update that Microsoft has reported on in their December 2025 announcement is that Microsoft has officially tightened security for private groups. Joining a private team with an invite code now requires approval from one of the team's owners. This helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures you know exactly who's being added. If you manage a private team, make sure you've got notifications enabled so you can approve new members quickly. Number 3, automatic language detection with the interpreter. Now, we know that the interpreter itself, in and of itself, has been a great hit, and now the hits keep on coming, and they're improving it. For teams that work across languages, interpreter mode just got smarter. When interpreter is enabled during a meeting, teams can automatically detect the language being spoken and sync live captions and transcription accordingly. That means less time spent on fiddling with language settings and more time focusing on what people are actually saying. We're closing things out while still sticking with interpreter. There's a subtle but helpful tweak that has been made. It is a new preparing status. Before the interpreter begins, you will see a message now indicating that it is getting ready. While this might seem small, this actually lets you know when to start speaking, so you don't miss the first part of your translation. But that about brings us to the end of this month's edition of Microsoft Teams News. It was a slow news month for sure, but we're still looking forward to hearing how you use these new changes and improvements that have come to Microsoft Teams. So make sure you let us know in the comments about your experience with them. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the highest rated performance management software in the Microsoft Teams App Store, TeamFlight, for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.